Busy little bumblebees today. Look at that guy. They are doing their job. That one keeps wanting in the same flower with him. There's, I don't know if you can see them there. Let me back up a little bit. This azalea has really bloomed. Well, he likes having his picture made. I don't know if you can see all of them flying around. But yeah, these azaleas look so pretty today. I wanted to give you guys a shot of them. Hi. Pretty cool backdrop, huh? All these pretty flowers. I'm down at my grandmother's out here on the front porch. She's having a bad day today, so I just went home for, I don't know, a couple of hours. Well, not even that long, about an hour, I guess, and going down the steps. Whoa, somebody Mustang flying about on this road. But, yeah, I went home for just a little bit. Came back down. I'll just stay on through this evening into tonight until tomorrow morning and go home. Got dandelions blooming too. You know what is so weird to me? Like, I was always taught, you know, that the dandelions was a weed. And I remember my family digging them up and throwing them away, trying to get rid of them, poison them. And you can eat them, the leaves and the flowers, and dandelion salad. Oh, it's so good. I don't know. We were taught wrong a lot of times, and I don't know how it got started that they were a bad thing, but they're not. I'm going to turn you around and give you a little view of the house. I'm standing up against my car out here. That's the front porch. I didn't bring my gimbal with me. I guess a nice little place. It's on kind of a busy road. People fly down through here. I'm going to get out farther and farther. You can see the whole thing. But yeah, it's an older mobile home, but they had a roof put on it like years and years ago, and porches on front and back, built a room on. Yeah, this is where I've been staying at night, you guys. Hi, you guys. It is not really raining that hard, but I just want to give you guys a look at this lightning. I mean, it is just almost solid. I haven't seen this in a long time, lightning this bad. It's not right here at us, but it's east, like toward Georgia from here. Georgia's getting it pretty bad right now. But have you guys ever seen it just solid like that? It just lights up everything. Yeah. We just had thunderstorms today. Not really anything significant. It rained for a little bit, but nothing bad. But this damn lightning is something else now. You can see my car out there in the yard. Shadows from the, or light from the porch light behind me. But man, oh man, that is just insane. And I guess I'm more worried about wind and lightning than anything else, like where I'm at now. Well, not right this second, but at my house, because there's a lot of big old trees all around me, and I'm always worried they're going to fall over on me. But you know, there's nothing you can do. You can be out in the middle of, have your car out in the middle of the pasture, or a house out in the middle of the pasture with nothing around. If it's gonna get you, it'll pick up a tree from somewhere else and come throw it on your house. So I take what precautions, you know, you're supposed to, and I don't stay in the mobile home. If there's tornadoes, me and the doggies pack up and go to one of my friends' houses, and I think I probably got a pic of that where we was over there tonight. My dogs and her dogs aren't used to each other. Well, Carrie and Wesson's, and so you guys have heard me talk about them on some of my other videos, but they have like a full-size basement. So we'd let her dogs out for a little while, and we'd spend time with them. Then she put hers up, and I let mine out for a little while. And when I slept there the other night during that crazy tornado, all them that was going on, I slept on the couch and they slept in there with me. But yeah, I'll try to stick a pic in here of that. I may put this on my video that I'm gonna edit of when it rained the other day. It's called Gully Washer. But yeah, talk to you guys later on. Bye.